Alright, so my Ram Rebel 2016, the rear RamBox was not locking with the key. Super annoying. So pretty simple fix though. Parts we need here is a 10mm socket, set of pliers, star wrench, and I have the backup key in case something goes wrong so I can still open the RamBox. And here we go. Okay, pretty common problem it seems with the RamBox. I hit my lock button. The RamBox doesn't lock, vice versa. The other one's still working with the key, so we're gonna take a look real quick. To remove the assembly, we got 3 10mm nuts here that we're gonna unscrew, and then we have 2 star keys to get the plastic off. So we're inside the box now. Take a quick look. Broken plastic clip. These clips are pretty standard for door locks, but I think maybe this actuator is just a little too strong for it. So that's in the unlock position. We hit lock. You can see it shoots forward. It's not grabbing the latch mechanism. Unlock, grab lock, not grabbing the lock mechanism. So luckily my dealer had one of these clips in stock. It's item 68206-089AA. It's retainer lock rod. It was $1.30 plus some tax. There it is. We're gonna throw it on. Alright, so we popped the clip in that hole there on the mechanism. Now we're just going to clip this little metal rod into the clip. It's a little bit of manipulation. There we go in the hole, and this just swings and clips to the metal part. So that's it, reassembled. Now we're just gonna screw it all back into place. All right, we've reassembled the box, screwed it back on. Again, 3 10mm bolts, 2 screws with a star key. We're gonna shut it, see how we do. So we're gonna lock it with this key. It doesn't open, so we're locked. Unlock it. Bada bing. Thanks, guys.